This is our exact slide mechanism, often referred to as the G5.5. The way this system is set up is that we have a motor located at the top of each column, and on the other side of this gearbox housing there's a gear that rotates. On the gear we have a chain that's draped over the top of that, and on each side of the chain we have two cables that are hooked up to it. So as the gear is turning, it wants to pull one side of the chain up and force the other side of the chain down, causing it to pull on two cables at a time, which in turn controls the direction of movement. Each side of the system runs independently of each other, and what joins them together is our exact slide room controller. So you can see as I give power to the slide room, we have a green light that comes on right here. That green light just shows that power is being sent through the controller. It'll turn off after 5 minutes and it'll go to sleep. Anytime that you have a red and a green light flashing, that is an indicator of low voltage. If you're under a low voltage scenario, it'll play with the synchronization of the slide room, making it come out of whack, but you can manually override it with our electronic override buttons, which are these red buttons located at the bottom corner of the controller itself. If the controller is wired correctly, you can press on one of these red buttons at a time, and it'll give all power to each motor, allowing you to dog track the room all the way in. Okay. If for whatever reason you're out of sync and you need to reset the controller, you can press down on both of these red buttons at the same time, hold them for about 4 seconds, and you'll see a red LED light flash like that. At that point, it's wiped whatever memory it's learned up to that point, and you'll want to cycle the room 3 full cycles for it to recalibrate the weight of the room for the controller.